Get off the sidelines and take control of your financial future at www.tackletrading.com. Get in the game.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Matt Justice from Tackle Trading. We are sitting here looking at a live chart here of the Australian dollar and the US dollar. We're looking at a 5-minute chart. The Australian Central Bank, the RBA, just literally just came out just recently and announced their monetary policy statement. I had a news-based trade in, which means I got triggered into a trade right into that level. And as you can see, the market is already up about, it's just absolutely flying everywhere, ladies and gentlemen. Lots of volatility, lots of movement. Look at the speed of that. These two candles goes from 7765 all the way up to 7796. That's a 30 pip movement right there. This candle from the very base, 777 to 783, that's about a 70 pip candle right there, all in about 5 minutes. We're literally moving right now at about 65 pips to the upside. I have not checked my fill rate yet, but it should have been somewhere around the 7779 level. I'll definitely have to check that here in just 1 second. But in looking at this this news-based trade, you know, basically we knew this was coming out because the RBA bank statement was going to come out on today at 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. They came out, and we do not know what the actual cash rate is. It was expected to lower it from 2.25 to 2. So the expectation out there in the market was we were going to lower down into the 2 range. The actual number was just posted just 5 seconds ago, and they actually kept the rate at 2.25. That's why you saw such historical movements in terms of just single pop, 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 pop. I mean, look at this on the 1-minute chart. Just kind of hangs out here, and then in 3 minutes, boom, 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 boom. Now, one thing that you can do as a news-based trade here, so we got filled right above this red line right there. We got a decent profit. We're up about 40 pips so far in the first 30 minutes. You can take a stop loss. You can trail the stop loss up to, we'll say, up into like this level right here underneath that candle, or even just kind of lock in profit right now. One thing that I have a tendency to do is initially lock in some profit, at least somewhat, to take advantage of it, and then re-enter in when I get my first retracement. And so that might happen now, you know, in terms of this 40 pip boom, 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 and then it starts coming back down. A little bit of a surprise from the Australians tonight. Good on them for not lowering their interest rate even lower. And so they did keep their rate at 2.25. The forecast was 2. We had huge movement to the upside on the Australian dollar, US dollar pair. It topped out in the initial movement at from, we'll just kind of see this. It's about from 77 up to the very top. It moved about 70 pips in terms of the first 2 minutes in the trade. Now looking at it 4 minutes in, we're up about 45 pips. Once again, I don't know my fill rate yet, but it usually widens out on the pip spread a little bit, and there's a big volatility. So I'm probably only up 30, 35 pips right now, but we'll have to wait and see that. And as you can see, it's kind of building back again. It's just so volatile, and then you bring it out to a 15-minute chart, and it's just boom, there it is. You know, this candlestick right here, that was only like 2 seconds of the 15-minute chart. If you look at a 5-minute chart, there it is right there. You can see it better on the 5-minute chart. So these are basically now about 3 minutes into the event. And we have some tremendous movement here, but you know what? That's why I love Forex trading. That's why I love the news-based trade. Hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, what we did, just to kind of recap, is we put an order above resistance there, below support there, and we were looking at the 15-minute chart at the time, but you can also look at the 5-minute chart, and boom, tremendous movement to the upside. Now it came out a little early, I would say. I thought the movement started happening about 30 seconds before the 10:30 mark, but that sometimes does occur. Lots of movement here, still ongoing, probably be in the trade for about 30 to 45 minutes from now. But I hope you enjoyed the news-based trade. I hope you enjoyed the live analysis, and go check us out at tackletrading.com.